Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I have a haul. So if you want to see what I picked up over the Mother's Day weekend, plus that following Monday, the first day they released the new summer scents, at least in my store, keep on watching. Okay guys, so we'll start off with the mist that I got. So I did get one Sunset Glow, and when I got I got them the day that they actually brought them into my store. Some people had them in their store earlier, and they had buy three, get three free, and I had a 20% coupon. So I did buy three and got three free, and these are the ones I got. So I got Sunset Glow, which is a repackage, and then I got Firecracker Pop, which is also a repackage. And also, these are all now 17.95. Yeah, 17.95. Even so, it's not even just the ones with the straws. Come on, 17. So there's that. So couldn't use a reward for any of these. So Firecracker Pop is a repackage, and I really like it. So I just got one. Then Poolside Cabana, I have heard people say that this is a repackage. They think it's repackage of iced pear margarita. I didn't have that scent, so I don't know what it smells like. I really like this. And when they have a good sale, if I can get my hands on it at a good deal, I'll get it. If I can't, I'll be fine with the one. I really do like this. I like it a lot, actually. So I'm hoping I'll be able to get another one. Um, then there's Sparkling Orange Spritz. I really liked it clearly enough to get two of them. So this one is like an orange soda. It's just really nice. Then the new Love Always Wins this year. This one last year's was watermelon. This year is a star fruit, coconut, and a cedarwood. So I really like that one. Again, I may get a backup if, or when they have a sale. Okay, so I missed this little travel size. So I had a coupon for a free travel size, and so I just grabbed Happy Birthday. Um, I didn't have it, and a vanilla. So, and then I had some rewards. So you actually these are 16.95. So you can get them with your reward. So I got one body cream for the Poolside Cabana, and then one body cream for Sparkling Orange Spritz. I think I'm good on body creams because I just don't want to have a whole bunch of them. And if you've seen my declutters, you know that I have a whole bunch of them. So those are the travel one that I missed, and then the cream. Okay, so during the Mother's Day weekend, they had that sale. Stuff was like 350, 5.95. The candles were on sale, and I had a 25% coupon that I had been holding on to. So I got some soap, these wallflowers, and then two candles. I actually had ordered more than two candles, but the other candles, they canceled them. So for the wallflowers, I got one limoncello, and then I got two pineapple mango. And then for the soaps, which were 350 plus my 25% off, I got one sunny days ahead. I got one coconut sandalwood. I got one sunwash citrus. Those are all just more for me. I have had all those. And then I saw the sweet sandalwood. I love sandalwood, so I went ahead and got two. I haven't even smelled it yet, but I'm sure I'll like it because it's sandalwood. And then I got one yuzu and white pineapple. So that one is new for me too. Okay, guys, so the last thing for this haul are these two candles. I got these when I got the soap at the Mother's Day sale with 25% off. And I got Driftwood Waves, which is, I really like this on cold. So we'll have to see how, it burns. The packaging is nice. These are the ones with the glass lids. And that one has sandalwood in it, which is why I kind of reached for it. And again, just a nice kind of soft scent. So on cold, I'm really enjoying it. And then I got Flower Cart, which it just has like floral bouquet listed. And that's what, it just smells like a nice kind of, if you had just gotten some flowers and have them in your house. Just, and not in an overpowering way, but in a nice way. So on cold, I like it, but you know how candles are. You have to burn it to see. Okay, guys, that is it for this haul. Remember that the summer SAS will be coming up. I think it starts June 3rd or 4th, one of those days. If you've been to Bath and Body Works, they've started putting the little, flyers in your bags as you're leaving out. So look for that. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.